In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram comments in your Instagram posts. So what you want to do is go to your Instagram and go to your profile. Go ahead and we can go through and try and find a comment on one of your posts here. And I'm just going to choose this one. So to go ahead and delete a comment, very easy to do. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on the comment section, and you're going to have some options here. So go ahead and go to the top right to the three dots here, and you can go to manage comments. You can go ahead and click and highlight it, and then hit delete. It'll ask you to confirm to delete the one comment. You can go ahead and delete it or hit cancel if you're someone that maybe wants to rethink it, because you can't just bring it back. So I'm going to hit cancel because I don't want to delete the comment. And that's how you would go about deleting comments on your Instagram account. So I hope you guys found this helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.